The question in today's video is to solve the equation to find z, and the equation is z to the power of 4 minus I equals 0. So first, we can rewrite this equation to z to the power of 4 equals I. In the previous videos, we have already known the exponential form to express these special values. So for I, we know it's equal to e to the power of I times half pi. So back to our question, we can rewrite it to z to the power of 4 equals e to the power of I times half pi. We also know it has a period of 2 pi, so we just need to add one more step to write it to z to the power of 4 equals e to the power of I times half pi plus 2k pi. And then we just multiply 1 over 4 to the power form. So we can get z, which is, because we have the power of 4, so don't forget the plus minus here. Therefore, the final answer is z equals plus minus e to the power of 1 over 4 times I times pi over 2 plus 2k pi. And of course, you can just substitute k with 0 plus 1 plus 2 to get some specific values.